Before we jump into the tutorial, let's get acquainted with the device we'll be working with, the SenseCAP indicator. This device hails from the SenseCAP product line, a creation of Seed Studio known for its innovative solutions in the IoT domain. The SenseCAP indicator stands as a robust IoT development platform, boasting a 4-inch touchscreen, and is powered by a duo of microcontrollers, the ESP-32 and RP22040. In this video, we'll explore how to set up the ESP-IDF toolchain on a Windows system. For convenience, I'll head over to the Seed Studio wiki. Two methods are provided for setting up the toolchain, using the offline installer or utilizing Git for the download and installation. For a quick and easy setup, I'll opt for the offline installer. If you're downloading from the official website, ensure you select ESP-IDF version v5.0. Having downloaded the installer, let's launch it and begin the installation process. Should the Apply Fix button be available, make sure to click it to resolve any issues. Given that the SenseCAP indicator is powered by the ESP-32S3, I'll deselect certain items that aren't necessary. Now, we'll wait for the installation to complete. The installation is now complete. I'll skip checking the environment for now by deselecting these options. With the toolchain fully installed, it's time to pull the SDK and code examples for the indicator from GitHub. These can be quickly located on the wiki. Simply copy the URL and use Git to clone the repository, or utilize the download zip feature provided by GitHub. I'll save the project in this specific folder. For a seamless ESP-IDF environment experience, adding a quick terminal starter for VSCode is quite effective. Let's add the terminal setting now. Take note, the setting should correspond to the hash value of the ESP-IDF. Now, we can effortlessly switch to use the ESP-IDF virtual environment, keeping it separate from global variables to prevent any system conflicts. Let's go ahead and build the button example. If this is your first time using ESP-IDF, the ESP tool will install the necessary components and tools. Plug in the SenseCAP indicator device and type idf.py flash to flash the firmware into it. Utilize the monitor command to view the serial output from the ESP-32. Although idf.py can detect the port to ESP-32 without the P option, occasionally it might misread it. So we'll need to confirm the correct port. Look for the port named CH340, as the USB serial device is for the RP2040 within the indicator. Now, hit the button atop the indicator to see it in action. And voila! We've successfully installed the ESP-IDF for Windows and run a basic example on the SenseCAP indicator.